The Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle occurs in 3 steps as you can see in the diagram: carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. Carboxylation. It is the process of carbon dioxide fixation, and this carbon dioxide so fixed it forms organic intermediate. CO2 gets carboxylated. It basically carries out the carboxylation of RUBP, and RUBP carboxylase or oxygenase enzyme is responsible for this carboxylation, and thus RUBP gets converted into 3-PGA. This next step is reduction. In this step of reduction, two molecules of ATP they gets phosphorylated, and 3 molecules of NADPH on 1 molecule of carbon dioxide is required to fix 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, and 6 cycles like this gives 1 molecule of glucose. In the process of reduction, 2 molecules of ATP is being phosphorylated, 2 molecules of NADPH per carbon dioxide is required, and 6 carbon dioxide fixation of 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 cycles gives us 1 molecule of glucose. Next is regeneration. Regeneration is regeneration of RUBP, the primary acceptor of carbon dioxide. 1 ATP when goes into phosphorylation, it gives RUBP. As you can see in the diagram, first step is carboxylation. Carbon dioxide is being fixed from the atmosphere. It is getting converted into 3-PGA. RUBP is the first primary acceptor. Carboxylation occurs to RUBP. It's get converted into 3-PGA. Then reduction occurs. ATP and NADPH is involved. ATP gets converted into ADP plus PI, and NADPH gets converted into NADP positive. After reduction, regeneration occurs. In regeneration, ATP is getting 1 molecule of ATP is being phosphorylated, and here after 6 cycles like this, glucose is released. The C4 pathway. It is also known as Hatch-Slack pathway. It occurs in mesophyll as well as bundle sheath cells. It occurs usually in plants which are found in dry tropical region, and here the primary acceptor of carbon dioxide is a 4-carbon compound, and it forms 4-carbon OAA, oxaloacetic acid. How this process occurs, you can see in the diagram. The primary acceptor 3-carbon PEP is present in mesophyll. It gets converted into 4-carbon malic or aspartic acid, and the enzyme involved is PEP carboxylase. This gets transferred to bundle sheath, where this 4-carbon compound is broken down into 1 oxygen and 3-carbon molecule. This 3-carbon molecule is again transported back to mesophyll, where it gets converted into PEP, and hence cycle is completed. How it was occurring? 3-PEP was getting transferred, then 4 molecule carbon compound is going to bundle sheath cells, breaking down into bundle sheath cells, again transported back to mesophyll, PEP is formed and cycle is completed. Photorespiration. It is a wasteful process which usually occurs in the plants where oxygen is also present, because in this RUBP it can bind to oxygen as well as carbon dioxide. When this RUBP binds to carbon dioxide, it gives us 2 molecules of 3-PGA. But when oxygen is binded to this, no PGA is formed. Instead of PGA, phosphoglycerate is formed, and hence In this process of photorespiration, there is no generation or synthesis of ATP or sugar. ATP is utilized to form CO2. Hence, it is a wasteful process because energy is being consumed in evolving out carbon dioxide.